Hey guys, how we keep it dirty off-road? Another quick rehab video of the Gen 1 as we replace some of our KC lights. So a couple of weeks ago when I was doing my checks on the truck, we ran the switch of the trucks and immediately found that there was something wrong. Basically, we turned on the KC lights and this one flashed bright, and then all of a sudden, only half the light was working. This guy turns on. This one was turning on halfway. Now it doesn't turn on at all anymore. Now we went ahead and opened up a case with KC lights just like everybody else does. They have the best customer service, guys. I let them know that just one of the lights was failing. They asked me a few questions. They wanted some pictures just so that we can verify the problem. They went ahead and sent me 2 replacement lights because they've been updated since. Lights are a little bit different. That's the old style. That's the new style. There's a new like ring or something like that, a new reflector style on them. They went ahead and replaced both. So we're gonna install both of them right now, show you guys how easy it is, and we're gonna do it while it's on the truck. And it's out. Oh! A very big difference. It's a completely different reflector design. Interesting. Go through the light so that we can put it in once you're done. Yeah, here, I got the light.
Hey, please. There we go. I already clicked.
Flip the switch. There it is. They on, they bright. Turn it off. You have to put it in even. And it's gonna be tight. So the housing design is different, guys. It's a whole lot deeper than the old one. And then the connector's different. See how that connector just comes out? This connector has a little thing on it, and yeah, we're gonna be putting a lot of pressure on that. So hopefully, hey, this is plastic. The other one was metal. Oh no, that was no, that was metal, wasn't it? Plastic? Metal? I don't know. Unfortunately, our only option is to install it sideways so that we can clear that without damaging it. It really blows, but these are only for chase anyways. Those are my real main lights, so I guess we're gonna have to make it work. We're gonna have to install sideways. So KC, guys, just consider when you guys make changes like this, it impacts us greatly when we install these lights. You know, that should have been farther down the bottom or something to make it easier for us. Or off to the side or something different. And it's a big deal to us. All right.
We're gonna take off the film.
Yes, let's go ahead and get the ring installed. Oh, who wants to take the film off?
I think it's your car, so you have the pleasure of doing that. I will try to hold the flashlight.
Oh, so good. Okay, let's get it installed.
Oh wait, it's a different thing as well.
The rings aren't as compatible. It doesn't look like the rings are compatible.
Oh, take that out. Okay. Yeah, no.
No, it's the same setup. Just hold it together for me. Once it catches, that's all we need.
And then you got it.
Okay, let's get the next one in. Did it catch?
I think so.
Yep. Always hand tighten these. Don't use tools, you'll regret it.
Oh, this one has a better fit.
This one fits better than that one.
Yeah, this one eventually does fit. You see that?
Go, Christian.
It turned. It turned a little bit. Make sure that it's level, because this one's not level.
Oh.
How are you gonna fix that?
Make sure these are above and below.
No, side to side, so we can never get them off.
One last test. Let's turn it all on and make sure it works.
Turn it on!
Light pattern is definitely funky, but hey.
Oh, look at it.
Let's see. It's not wide how we expect it to be. Fuck, that sucks. It should be wide, but it's not.
1 week later.
So we actually tested out this light setup, and I'm definitely not liking the beam pattern up and down. You can't even see it on the trails. So we're gonna move it, and the only way we're gonna move it is we gotta move this connector, come over the top so that it can come out the top of the light. It's not gonna look the best from a side profile, but I'll get a functional light setup back. I don't have the kids with me, so you guys are just gonna see a cut basically of this being done. Fuck, I hate how that looks. Just gonna have to deal with it. Fuck, I hate how that looks. You guys remember how I said be careful not to strip them? This is my last hour. My son stripped one. God damn it, Ethan. There you go. I had to use a temporary nut and bolt. But she's in. I really hate how that looks though. Just close it up. Let's see how it looks closed up. Okay, that's it closed. I think this is gonna move too much. I can't just zip tie it to this because then I won't be able to open my hood. And there's no way to zip tie down here. I have to drill a hole in this just so I have a little tab to put a zip tie on it. Definitely not ideal. It's gonna move too much. Lights are upside down, but it's the only way they're gonna work. And at least now the light pattern's in the correct direction. Yeah, that looks so much better. They're way brighter that way. Even the beam pattern looks much better. It's much wider. It's not just up and down. I did get the comment when I was on the trails that, hey, your lights are not on. And that's because they weren't pointing correctly. Now this is much brighter. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. Moral of the story, it's not always best to get the new stuff. Question comments below. Please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.